Hey there! Ready to learn how to send messages inside TenantCloud? Let's begin. Start by clicking the Messages icon in the top right header of your dashboard. This will open a new page where you can send and receive messages and view past conversations. Use the provided text box to type your message. Attach files by clicking the paperclip button. Don't forget to click Send when you're ready for your message to be delivered. Your landlord or property manager may use the property message board for things like job postings, notices, and announcements. Switch to the property board channel in Messenger to interact with these posts. To comment on a post from your landlord, click on Write a Response and publish your message. To delete a comment or a message, click on the three dots next to it and select Delete. If the landlord disables commenting, you'll see a notice saying that commenting isn't available. There's also a dedicated section for maintenance requests. If you submit a request or receive one from your landlord, a new Maintenance Request tab will automatically appear. And that's it. With these steps, you can manage your messages and stay updated on your rental property. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.